Swagatam dosto, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about one of the most mysterious caves, that is cave number 16 of Ellora Caves, which is known as Kailash Temple. It is the world's largest monolithic structure, that is, it is carved out of a single rock of a mountain. And it is the only structure that is carved from the roof to the floor, that is, from top to bottom. And it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in India. So guys, there are total of 100 caves, out of which only 34 caves are open to the public. And Kailash Temple, cave number 16, is the most famous one. Kailash Temple is famous because a mystery is related to it, a mystery related to its construction. Archaeologists and historians cannot confirm how it's made and by whom. Some says it is made by a king of Rashtrakuta dynasty. Some says it's made by aliens, and some says it's made by using ancient Hindu weapons or machines. So first let's talk about its construction by humans. Historian says that it has been constructed by Rashtrakuta king Krishna I. However, that doesn't seem true because this temple was constructed in 18 years, and even using today's technology we cannot create such temple even today. The construction of this temple needs skilled labor, advanced technology, even more advanced than what we have today, proper mathematics, engineering, computers. And in that era it was constructed in 6th, 7th or 8th century, and at that point of time there was no technology, no advanced education. So how is it possible to make such a temple in 18 years? And also, while carving this temple, 400,000 rocks were removed, but they are not to be seen around anywhere nearby. 400,000 tons cannot vanish just like that. So there is the mystery. And also, as I said, it was constructed by the king Krishna I, but there are no records on it. And the second possibility on how and by whom it was constructed is that archaeologists says it has been constructed by aliens. But then the question arises, why will the aliens represent Hindu mythology or Hindu god and goddesses on the walls of the temple? Kailash temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, one of Hindus' main god. This temple was tried to be made like the replica of the Kailash mountain, where it is believed that Lord Shiva resides. In order to do that, this temple was painted with white limestone, which has been faded with time, but you can still see little amount of paint on this temple even today. So guys, this is inside the main Kailash temple. There is a shivling inside it. It was pitch dark inside, so the video is not clear. On the pillars of this temple, on the one side Ramayana has been inscribed, and on the other Mahabharat, which are Hindu folklore or mythology. Now I will tell you one more interesting fact about this temple. Once there was a great ruler, Aurangzeb. He tried to destroy this temple, so he sent 1,000 soldiers just to destroy and vandalize the temple. But even after 3 years, he couldn't do much. So at the end, he accepted his defeat and he went from there. And you can see on the screen the vandalized idols which were destroyed and defaced by him. So can you imagine the powerful aura that this temple has? So now let's talk about another interesting fact related to its construction. It is also said that it might have been made using ancient Hindu weapon or machines. Weapons which were used in Hindu famous mythology, Ramayana and Mahabharata. Because only by using such magical and divine weapons or machines you can make something in minutes or destroy something in minutes. And the construction of this temple without any remains of that 400,000 tons of rocks, not to be seen anywhere nearby. Only such mythological weapons can do that. So this is inside one of the caves there. It was also pitch dark. Now I will tell you one more interesting fact related to Kailash temple or Ellora caves. It is said that there might be an underground civilization because there are so many tunnels, air shafts, air ventilation shafts, and holes inside the caves that we don't know what's purpose it serves. And there are so many places where there are no entry boards and they have been covered with doors and fences. The public is not allowed inside it. It seems that it's infested with bats, but there are tunnels there. As you can see, one of the places where there is a no entry sign and it was covered with a door. I think it was broken that time and it was pitch dark inside. It was really scary to go in. So guys, you can see one of the tunnels which I came across while in Ellora. It seems that it is bigger from outside, but it narrows as you enter inside it. As you can see, there is a hole and there are many such holes and shafts in Ellora you will come across, which we don't know what is the purpose, but it can be a possibility that it is used for ventilation. Similarly guys, there was an underground civilization found in Turkey in Derinkuyu where such ventilation shafts similar to these were found. It is a multi-level underground city where 20,000 people could live, and you can see a map. You will find stairs, windows, etc. under the ground level. So can such civilization be found under Ellora caves? We don't know. This is a mystery on how it was made and by whom. You will find cave from 1 to 34, which represents the religion of Hindu, Jain and Buddhist. This is cave number 29, also dedicated to Lord Shiva and Parvati. Personally, I found this cave beautiful and enormous after Kailash temple. You will find Shivling here and also Shiv and Parvati sculpture, enormous sculptures. You will find a beautiful pond outside of cave number 29. These are cave number 32-34 representing Jain religion. This is cave number 34, which is also known as Chota Kailash. You can avail bus services for these caves as they are situated a little far. All the caves have number outside, so you can follow them and cover each one of those caves. So friends, if you want to experience this mystery personally, please begin your journey to Ellora caves. And if you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel to stay connected to get more of these mysterious and beautiful destinations in India. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.